Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make bookmarks. Have a look. We are using designer threads, glue and some stickers and any thick sheet. This is a paper cutting board by Dress My Craft. I use this for accuracy. Now we will cut the paper. Here numbers are given in a centimeter and inch. I will cut up till 7 centimeter. You can see I made two cutouts as the back side of paper is not same as the front. I will stick these two cards so that the paper will gain a thickness. Apply some glue on the back side of two cards and stick them properly. After sticking them, I punch them in this shape, so that it will look like a tag. Adjust the paper in it properly and press the machine. You will get shape like this. Cut out the extra part. Now give a corner edges round shape like this. The tools I have used are easily available on any e-commerce site. See, the edges looks perfectly round now. Start decorating the bookmark as you want. I used my favorite stickers here. You can use anything that you like. Now put a piece of designer thread inside the punch hole to make it attractive. I use the designer thread. You can use ribbon as well. And finally, write some suitable quotes on it to make it look like a bookmark. Ta-da! Our bookmark is ready. If you like this video, then don't forget to comment. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you guys.